Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make a logo animation using After Effects. This is the first video of After Effects series. I hope you like it. So without any further, let's start this video. At first, click New Project, then go to the Composition tab. Here I'll create a new composition. I'll name it Main Comp. And for the width and height, I'll keep it 1920 by 1080. Now click OK. Now I'll create another composition and I'll name it Logo Comp. And for the width and height, I'll keep the value 500 for both. We are done here. Click OK. Now import my logo, which I will animate in this video. Select the logo and drag it to the logo composition and press S on the keyboard for open scale. Edit scale value 20 to 30%. I will keep it 22%. Now go to the main composition and create a white solid layer. And drag this logo composition over the solid layer. Select this logo comp and make it 3D. Click on the 3D box. Now press P on the keyboard to open position and press Alt. Press Alt. Now click on the stopwatch sign to open expression. Now I'll type this expression. You can also see on the screen, and you also copy this text on description box. Now go to the effects and search exposure. Apply it to the logo layer. Now go to the effects controls and edit the exposure value -1. Now it's time to duplicate our logo composition. To adding depth to the logo, for that press Ctrl D and hold it couple of seconds. I'll make 30 to 40 copies. Now select the top layer and go to the effects and controls and delete the exposure effect. Now go to the camera tab and I'll create a new camera. If you select this camera button and drag over the logo, you can see the depth of this logo. Now select the bottom logo layer and search drop shadow effect. And apply it on the logo layer. Now go to the effects and edit softness value 60. Now select the white solid layer and search gradient ramp effect. Apply it on the white solid layer. Here swap colors and change liner ramp to radial ramp. Select the end color light gray. Now it's time to animate this logo. For that, at first go to the camera layer and reset the position value. Now press P to open position. Go the beginning of this video and create a key and drag it 4 seconds forward. And again go to the opening on this video and select the camera and change logo position by dragging this logo. Now if I preview, it's look like this. For smooth animation, select both key and press F9 on the keyboard to ease them. Again select both key and open animation graph and edit the graph like me for better animation. Now press U on the keyboard to hide the graph and position properties. If I preview this, it looks cool. Now select the top logo composition layer and search CC Light Wipe and apply this layer. After adjusting CC Light Wipe effect, it looks like this. Thank you for watching this video, and if this video really helpful to you, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.